Do you still use the traditional lock? Often forget to bring keys. No. This high-tech smart lock can help you guys. This smart lock is made of aluminum alloy tempered glass, quality assurance, multiple function lock, multiple way to unlock. Tradition key, perfect, unlock the door. NFC card is okay. Yeah, that's great. And fingerprint is also work. Perfect. Unlock. You can unlock with this app. It's very convenient for you. Yes. We can also use the password to unlock the door. Yes, that's great. This lock has 4G and Wi-Fi version. The most important thing is it has burglar trigger. Bad people go away. You can lock the door by lifting up the handle. It's very safe.